Here I'll show you 3 ways to stop a macro from running in Excel. So let's say you're working on a VBA project and you accidentally got yourself in an endless loop, or just whatever you're doing is taking way too long and you want to kill the macro. Well, I'm going to show you 3 ways to do that. Very simple. First, we're going to start the endless loop macro that I have in this workbook. It's very simple. It's just a do while loop, nothing special. Run it, and you can see that it's not going to stop. So I hit the escape key, and that is the easiest one to do. Hit escape, and you see this little window, code execution has been interrupted. We can continue, end, or debug. I'm going to go ahead and hit end. So that kills the macro, but it leaves us inside the workbook, so we don't go to the VBA window. Hit debug if you want to go to the VBA window. The next one is control break. Now, the break key can be hard to find on a keyboard, especially if you're using a laptop. So what you might have to do here, this is what I had to do, is look up the break key for your specific make and model of laptop. And for me, it was hit the Fin key and the B key. So the shortcut to kill the macro is control break. But in my instance, in my circumstance, I have to hit Fin control B, the letter B. Let's try it and see if it works. We'll see if the internet forum was correct. Forever macro. All right, Fin control B. Perfect. And let's hit debug this time. And here we go. It takes us to our lovely little macro that runs forever. All right, let's kill this dude. Yes, it's going to stop the debugger. Okie dokie. And the very last one, which I'm not going to show you here, but I'm going to tell you, is Control Alt Delete. And if you are a Windows user, you should be familiar with this now. Basically, if the escape key did not work and control break did not work, or you simply can't find the break key on your keyboard, you're going to have to kill Excel. So Control Alt Delete, go to the Task Manager, kill Excel. Hopefully, Excel will recover whatever you're working on. Newer versions of Excel tend to be pretty good at that, thankfully. So those are the 3 ways to do it, and you want to do it in that order. First, try the escape key. Every keyboard has it, and it works most of the time. So hit the escape key. If it doesn't work, do control break. If that doesn't work, control alt delete. And one of those 3 methods should work for ending your macro.